I found my window sticker in my vehicle. As you can see, 0 options right here. And I will tell you guys how to do that, how I did that. And then I'm also gonna show you another photo that I took at the dealership of a new 2019 4Runner that has $4,679 worth of options on it, which would equate up to, let's say-ish, another $80 a month in your monthly payment of a new vehicle. So let's get into how are our ways around this. Well, the first way is if you're good at negotiating and you have a vehicle already at the dealership that has these $4,600 worth of options on it. If you're good at negotiating and you get the vehicle for the suggested manufacturer's price before all those port options, then you got all those things for free. So that is the first way to go about it. If you can, definitely do it that way. If you are at a dealership that does not like to negotiate because they say, oh, Toyotas keep their value, this is a great price, blah, 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 all those excuses that certain dealerships may do, then you may want to be friends with your inventory manager and have a decent cars salesman to help you out. The inventory manager of the dealership, they know when something is coming in. They know a specific truck, its color, its type of model that it is to come in. So if you want a 2020 Toyota Tacoma Voodoo Blue TRD off-road, they'll know when it's coming in, when it should be at the port, and when you can expect it, hopefully at the dealership. So in order to get something with absolutely no dealership options on it, you have to snag it before it's at the port. All these Toyotas get to the port. Basically what that is its distribution area in the United States. It's where they put the wheels on, it's where they put the roof racks on, it's where they put the emblems on. Basically everything cosmetic that the typical assembly line isn't going to put onto the vehicle, they put those on there. In addition to that, they put the Toyota Guard paint sealant on, like the little spray stuff. They put clear bra protection on, they put phone cables in the vehicles, any little accessories that start to add up to that $4,600. So the way around this is basically just lock in the vehicle that the dealership is about to get before it goes to the port. Just tell your dealership, hey, I don't want the Predator steps, I don't want the paint film protection, I don't want this, I don't want that. Can you make it happen? I don't want all those options. I'm going to buy the vehicle from you. I may have to put a deposit down, but I don't want all that extra crap. If you guys aren't willing to negotiate with me for that, I'm gonna either go somewhere else or I can lock in my sale with you guys right here for a price without all that stuff. The con to that is it's a little bit of a wait process, but if you're very adamant on saving that money, then that is how you can do that. So let me show you guys an example right here of one that I took at the dealership. So on this window sticker in particular, and has the XP Predator package on it. What this is the Southeast Toyota package that basically makes it look like a TRD Pro. It has the grille and the tires. So that comes out to about $32.99 after you get a quote-unquote discount for taking off basically the old tires and putting on this whole new package. The next thing you see is Toyota Guard, which is $699. Now, what do you get out of that? Well, a dealership is kind of sneaky and they're going to say, oh, well, you get 2 years free maintenance, you get the 25,000 miles, you get all this stuff, the roadside assistance, everything like that. And then at the very bottom it says you get sealant and fabric protection. So in actuality, what that means is you're only getting sealant and the fabric protection. Any new Toyota comes with a 2-year, 25,000 mileage maintenance plan. So really you're paying them $700 for some person to just spray the car with a wax, and that's it. Now, if you add that also with what this one has on it, the clear paint protection, what that is just a little film that goes on the vehicle, on the hood, on your doors, on your door handles. That is a total ripoff. So an example of this paint film is right here. My wife has it on her RAV. We did not pay for all that because it is a lease. So if you get a lease, all that stuff that's installed at the port, don't even worry about it. It's not going to affect your cost. But as you can see, all this is embedded into the film up here, and I've tried my hardest to get it out because you can see there's none right here on the side, but all this is embedded into that, and then you have it right here. It cakes up a lot, and then it starts to peel and everything like that. So it's definitely not worth it in my opinion. So that plus that quote-unquote sealant that they're putting on there is almost $900. Do you know what you could do for $900? You could get your whole vehicle quality paint protected and ceramic coated from a professional detailer. The next thing we have, guys, is floor mats. Check out this price. $409 for Toyota floor mats. I will leave a link down in the description to Amazon where you can pick up the same ones for almost $100. It may be a little over $100, but they're the same ones that I have in my 4Runner because I elected not to get the rubber floor mats for my vehicle, and I saved about $300. Next thing that you guys see is phone cables. $73. So that is insane because you can pick up like a 5-pack on Amazon for like $5 or $10, guys. So all this stuff will start to add up. Or if you're at the dealership negotiating, that's $4,600 of fluff that the dealership is going to try to get down. That's kind of like a buffer for them. So definitely not worth it in my opinion. This particular one didn't even have the Predator side steps, which those from the dealership I think are like a $600 or a $700 option. You guys could get rock sliders for the same price or something that's more effective than those if you do plan to off-road your vehicle. There's so many better aftermarket options for you guys. And in that same section of the window sticker is mine. So these are all my options. Absolutely nothing. So the price has not gone up from here. That has the sliding rear cargo tray, which brought it to that $43,995, and I am still at $43,995. So if that helped you guys out, I really hope it did. If you guys still have any questions about that, please leave them down in the comment section, and I will try my best to get back with every single one of you. If you guys like this video and are new around here, please feel free to subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.